Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are new to me, kindly click on the red subscribe button down below to subscribe to my channel free of charge so that I don't miss anything on this channel. In this video, I will be sharing with you some insight into Odu Ifa Oyeku Meji. Oyeku Meji is a direct opposite of Ejiogbe, which I have earlier narrated on this channel. Ejiogbe represents light or illumination, while Oyeku Meji represents darkness or end of a cycle. Should in case you are interested in learning about Odu Ifa Ejiogbe, a video is available at the end screen of this video. So let us dive deep into the understanding of Odu Ifa Oyeku Meji. Oyeku Meji can also be called Eji Oyeku. Oyeku Meji in Yoruba language literally means Yeye Iku, meaning the spirit of the mother of the dead. In Yoruba language, Iku means death. Oyeku, being the end of a cycle, can bring blessings. Likewise, in its negative manifestation, Oyeku represents a premature ending of a cycle that may not result in full maturity or benefit. Oyeku Meji in Ifa religion is a reference to the fact that nothing in the universe is created or destroyed, but transformed. Let us break this down. Just as I said earlier, Oyeku is darkness, and it can be termed to mean death, that is, the end of something or anything you can think of. So for the fact that Oyeku Meji talks about death does not really mean physical death. Rather, it is talking about every negativities, darkness, or anything that has to do with sadness. So, how is Oyeku an end of a cycle? You can understand this way. When a baby is born, there is an end of the cycle of the baby living in the womb. Also, when you embark on a journey and you get to your destination, there is an end of the cycle of getting to your destination. According to what is believed in the Ifa religion, the end of life on earth is the beginning of life in Orun or in the spiritual realm, as the case may be. In the Odu Ifa Oyeku Meji, it makes it clear that this world is full of evil powers and negative energies, and it says that the negative vibrations in this world ensure that nothing good works, and all of these negative vibrations hinder our path to success and achievement in life, with a serious dark emotions coming either from our ancestral past or by our own doing. It could be a family cause or other sources known or unknown to us, and other forces that are beyond human wisdom. And this is why Olodumare is who he is. In the Odu Ifa Oyeku Meji, it unfolds the secrets of darkness and all the negative energies in this world. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click on the red subscribe button down below to subscribe to my channel free of charge, so that you don't miss anything on this channel. Until we see again, get a better life.